and this is the latest new model from Leagoo M family, the M series. And this one is a M11, which is a middle range. And we can see this. The feature of this one is a very big display, notch display, which is 6-inch and 1.18-inch of FWVGA display, IPS. And from here we can see in the first range, this is the front camera, which is 8 megapixel, and here is the sensor and the receiver. And if we go around, we see the rim. Here is the 3.5 millimeters jack, and here is the volume key, the power key. If we go here is the micro USB connect. And here, so go to the back, we see it's a very nice finish on the plastic cover. Here is the main camera, which is 8 megapixel, and the sub camera is 2 megapixel as a flashlight, a fingerprint sensor here, and also here is the speaker also. And for this phone, it is a 4G phone with MTK chipset, which is quad-core, and with 2 gigabits together with 16 gigabits. The battery of this phone is 4,000 mAh with the latest Android 8.1. So this one is a very good budget choice for the mid-level of the 4G phones. If you like it, you can have this one next month in the middle. We are launching it in the market. And then we come with another one from the M series. This one is the M10, the latest one. This one is the display, full display, of course, 18:9. It's a very good grip in your hand, which is very slim. And for this one, the display is 5.45 HD IPS, so the color is very good looking. And for this one here is the front flashlight. It's with a flashlight, and also the front camera of 5 megapixel. And here's the receiver. And we go here. Here's the mic and the power key, the volume key, the micro USB, and also a 3.5 millimeter ear jack. And for the back cover, we see here is the 8 megapixel back camera, and also a flashlight, a fingerprint sensor, and the speakers. And for this one is embedded with it's with a 2,850 mAh typical battery. The memory is 1 gigabit together with 8 gigabits. And also for this one, it's with Android Go, which gives you the best performance. One of the merits of this phone is you can detach the back cover easily. And it's the same with the M11 of this one. So you can remove the back cover and change the battery also. We will launch this in the market at the end of December with the 3G and 4G versions, 2 versions.